this one. Got the burner off. I do this one every year, so it might not be bad. We'll have to see. See if we got any bio slime. No, it don't look bad. Filter's like brand new. We're good with that. We're good. Just have to bleed it. And then change the nozzle and the nozzle on the burner, and we should be good. No bio slime in this one. No bio slime. I put this boiler in 97. 97 is when I put it in. The flipping tags. I got it off. I gotta change the nozzle. She's a crusty one, well. Here's one crusty one. It's got antifreeze in it too. It's not good. Get my tools. Got no room to work here. Nice and clean. CAD so probably fine, but I do it. I stay up on this one all the time. Yeah, she's definitely crusty and rusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Shouldn't have to bleed the line. It's underground line with a... They rent this house out, and you can see it's all nice and clean, so pump filter's fine. The filter was fine. 75-80 is what I put in here. Little tiny house. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Make sure this is tight. That's the jet tube from the pump, the jet tube. That should do it. Guys, stay up on this thing every year, right? Check it. Nozzle filter. Since I put it in. It was 27 years ago. She's getting crusty. She's off on high limit. She's ready to rock and roll, Mama. She's ready to rock and roll. She's ready to rock and roll.